Everyone, today I'll be teaching you guys how you can set your stop loss and take profit on a simple trade. If you are looking at my screen right now, what I have here is called the Bybit exchange. You can use the link below this video and sign up if you don't have an account, and you can use it to trade. They also have a demo account which you can use to practice. This right here is the demo account that I'm using to show you guys this. Going deep into it, first of all, before you can set your take profit and stop loss, you need to do what? You need to set your trade. Like me, on 90% of the time on the trade I post, I like to use what we call market order. Market order and limit order, in simple explanation, one is buying at a specific price and the other is buying instantly. So if you want to buy at a specific price or sell at a specific price, you use the limit, but most of the time I use market order. Market order are going to fill you in instantly. How does this work? Let's say for instance now I want to sell 0.1 BTC and I'm using a 25x leverage, and it will cost me, if you look it there, that's the cost, $141. Now if I want to go in with a market order, I'll just press sell and instantly you find out that I'm in a trade. So while I'm in the trade, there are things you need to take note of. First of all, you set your TP and trailing stop and close by. This close by it means close by market order, but most times we don't use that. So let me go ahead and set TP. Let's say for instance I want to be doing a risk to reward. First of all, we go in, I say okay, I want to lose 50% of my trade, which it will cost me $64 plus, and I want to gain 200%. This is the automatic future. So let us scale it down to a smaller way. Okay, I want to gain 100%, I want to lose a 50%. So you can see that automatically it has set the price limit for me. So these are the last price here. You can see it here. These are the last price. That's once the price hit this level, they are going to close me immediately. So if I want to do it manually, I can also do it manually. Maybe I posted a trade and someone want to copy it, and I said that okay, BTC will take profit at 32,900, and while our stop will be 36. You can see that the risk to reward here is bad. Why? Because we are making a little amount of money while risking over 100 plus. So most of you can still customize this your own way, but whatever you do, you must be watching the market price, because if you put your your stop loss below this price here and you are selling it, most time it will automatically close you. Why some other exchange will not set that type of stop loss for you, because you already passed the stop loss. So aside that, also most time you can just go with okay 36 to 2,500, and here you look at what I'm going to be losing $147 here, and here I'm going to be making 2. And once I click this confirmation, the trade has been set already. So after that set, you can see the order here. These are my order, and also you can still come again in some other exchanges like Binance. You can partially position. Yes, they have it here. This is one of the best features. Now you can, with this now you can actually set certain percentage of your take profit. So you can set your take profit by percentage, and this percentage will be closing automatically. Once price gets to those levels, it will close it automatically without any stress. So these are just how to place your stop loss and how to set your take profit. And also, while wasting none of your time, you can subscribe to this channel and also follow us on our Telegram for more updates on a daily basis on cryptocurrency.